Recently, people have been talking about Zorin for beginners, but is Zorin OS better than Mint? Okay, so the first thing that 99% of people will see when you load up Zorin, it looks much better than Mint, which, if I'm gonna be honest, is something that I care about a lot, because if it looks good, then people are gonna notice it, and it looks good. You know, you don't want to be staring at a bad thing all day, and Linux Mint is not as good. It looks a lot like Windows 10. It just looks a less clean. What does Mint do better? Obviously, there's more documentation for Mint and being around for longer. They've been around for a while, but there is one thing you're gonna have to realize when it comes to Zorin. There is a pro version that is $45. You can't use a prepaid purchase of 16 to get to 17. What's the better option for somebody who's starting out? What would make that person more happy? Do you like the look more? Do you like the features more? Do you like more documentation? If all you care about is aesthetics, even at the cost of some features, go Zorin. If you have Mint, probably not worth switching, especially if you've been using it for a long time. But either way, even if you do switch, you'll still be happy with whatever you go with.